Okay, hi first grade. I am going to be walking you guys through how to access Google Classroom and also the Google Classroom features that we will be using during e-learning. So when you open your Chromebook at home, you will open up to the home page, and the home page is always this. This is the Library Media Center page from Ben Franklin. If you're not there, up in this corner over here, you'll just press that house and it will bring you here, okay? So when you go into go into the home page, you're going to click right here where it says Classroom. It's the little guy on the green board. Okay. Now it will load, and you guys should already be logged in. If you are not logged in and it asks you to log in, you'll have to enter your 27 number and then also your 2080 password, and then it will bring you to this page. Now these are all of my classes, but when you're coming to find out what we're doing in first grade, you're going to go right here to literacy, and you'll see my picture back here too, okay? So I'll click it and it will open up the class. Now, there are lots of things to know about Google Classroom, so I'm going to walk you through some of them. First off, this is the Classroom Stream page. We've used this before, but you'll find all the information that you need on the Stream page. I share a lot of things on here, and if you're looking for them, they'll all be here, okay? So you can scroll through and see the different things that have been shared. The farther down you go, the farther in the past you go. So you can see that this is October 29th. And if we want something more recent, we're going to scroll up to the top. So you see how I scroll up to the top? So this was our Zoom meeting on April 8th. If you were looking for when we had a Zoom meeting or the password, this would be a great place to find it because I often share things with you here. You can click the link here to find it. There's also some videos that I've been posting here. And if you want to share something with the class, you can. So for example, you might click right here and type out a message. And then press post. And as you can see, my message came up right here. So if I wanted to message the class, I could do that. If you see a message you want to reply to, you can add a comment here. And to post that comment, you press this little post button. Okay. If you don't want your comment there, there's these three little dots and you can just delete it. So then if you are kind of lost looking for some things for e-learning, the best place to look is right here where it says classwork. So I'm going to click classwork. I have things organized here by topic. We have e-learning assignments, math, reading, and printable materials. So if you are looking for what you have to do for e-learning, this is a great place to look. You click on e-learning assignments, and then the link will be here to open up. Now this will show you all of the e-learning assignments that we have for that week. This is day 1, and this is 2, down here, 3, okay? So you'll click on whatever you need to here. There's Boom Learning link, there's the link to Zearn, there's links to videos that you may have to watch. Up here at the top are your tabs, so you can go back to Google Classroom. So I looked at my e-learning assignments. I don't need to look there anymore. The topics are over here as well. If you have a question, you can always write it right here and I'll reply to you. But if you want to go back to maybe math or reading or printables, just click here where it says all topics again. Then let's say you just finished lesson 1 in math. You would click here to open the exit ticket, which is a Google form. This is where you would answer the questions on the Google form regarding the math lesson. Once you press submit, I'll get your answers and I'll be able to give you a grade for that. Same with reading. There's the Google form with the exit ticket. So if you're looking for that, that would be here, and that's the reply that you have to do there. So really, having the stream and the classwork page are really important. They help you find things that you need. Also, if you're looking to post to a friend, make sure to double check that they haven't already posted down here, okay? So maybe someone posted something and you can reply to them later. We don't want to fill our stream too much with lots of different things. Over here too, I forgot to tell you this. Do you see this upcoming? So upcoming shows you when your work is due. If I click view all, it's going to open up some upcoming assignments. And you guys don't have any assignments in here yet. I haven't put the ones in for this week, but they will be over here and you can easily click on them as well. So make sure that you're looking in the stream and also the classwork page when you're working in Google Classroom. Okay, so I hope to see some posts from you guys in the future. Make sure that you are working hard on your e-learning. If you have any questions from me, go ahead and type them right here in Google Classroom and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, talk to you later.